friends, I'm back at it again with another unboxing from Newhomy. So this is part 2 of 3. In the third one, I'll be unboxing or unbagging a really big ass one. So let's take a look at these 3. We're going to open the small one first. It is, I guess I won't need the scissors. It is a diamond painting craft kit. I've never owned one of these, so when I was asked by Newhomy to pick some of the ones that I wanted to try out, I picked a craft kit because I'm like, you know what, I'll probably never ever buy one, so let's take a look and see what these diamond painting craft kits are all about. So these are the keychains. Let's see. First, they come with the little ball chain, and then they come with, what is it, an alligator clip? Some sort of clip just in general. I don't know what they're called. And then they come with, these are the canvases, I suppose, or the little keychain bits. And they have what is it? A clear, I can't even talk. They have a clear plastic cover over them, so you rip that off, and then that's your drill area. So there's a piggy. Oh, the squirrel's super cute. A squirrel. Oh, a little raccoony. And a little fox who's sleeping. Shh, quiet. Just kidding. Okay, and then these are the diamonds in another baggie. Do you ever think about how much plastic is used for diamond paintings, just in general? Sometimes I feel really, guilty because there's so much plastic involved. Okay, so they come, some of them come pre-wrapped or pre-ziplocked, which is nice because then you can just work right from the Ziploc. What's this? Giant balls. And then these are little diamonds for each one. They're all glittery. This color is really pretty. It's like a purplish pink. So yeah, that's that kit. Now to see if I can actually fit everything back into the actual packaging. Oh, and it came with this as well. So your pen, your tray, your plate of wax or your square of wax, and then it looks like just some baggies. Yep. We'll see if I can fit everything back in here. Maybe. Yeah. Success. And then we'll put these back in here. Because if I don't do it now, I know I'm not going to do it later. So you have to sit through it. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. You're hearing that sound. It is just the garage door opening. Oh, and I totally wrecked this, obviously. So I'll have to put an elastic band around this or something. Let's move this aside. I have no idea which painting this is. I do remember the ones that I ordered. But let's take a look. I can cut it without killing myself. Okay, which one is this? Oh, okay. So this is a really cute butterfly one. Here, let's see if we can fit the whole thing in the video. Here is a butterfly. It measures 40 by 30. Here's the symbols and the number. No DMC code, which makes me sad, but that's fine. Poured glue. We'll take a look at the drill field. If I turn this light on, is that helpful? Sort of, I guess. Here's the drill field. Again, if you watched my previous unboxing, which I'll put a thing in the eye up here. If you watch my previous unboxing, the canvases that came are all pretty clear and easy to read for the symbols. So I'm not too worried about that. Then it comes with a kit, just like the previous one, except no bags. those aside, here's the diamonds. It is 21 colors. I'm going to turn this off. Ooh. Ooh, I like when drills come in these bags. Usually when they come in these bags, I rarely have problems with them. Like you can just see, there's not a lot of trash or anything. This purple is so pretty. Purple is my favorite color, just an FYI. Okay, there's like this puke green or diarrhea green. It even had some bits of brown in it. Okay, I'll stop being gross. Yellows. Not a lot of trash. I don't see any knobbly bits. More purple. Oranges. This pinky color. The round painting, obviously, because it came with round drills. Yeah, I'm fairly happy with these drills. I'm hoping that the canvas won't look too pixelated. Because if we look at it, these are supposed to be leaves over here. And then obviously this is the butterfly. Has some markings. It could have, I think I could have ordered this in a bigger size and maybe it won't look as pixelated, but again, we won't know until I actually do the diamond painting and finish it to see the finished product. But yeah, so that's that one. Let me try. Just entertain me for a minute. Let me try and get these back to how they were so I can fit them in the bag. Oh my goodness. I think they were like in 3s. I don't think I'm doing it right. I'm sorry if you hate plastic crinkling. I can't help you with that. And then these purple ones. I think these should fit. Yeah, I'll make them fit. Who else always has trouble with putting everything back? Oh no. Okay. It's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. I ripped it already. Shh, don't tell anyone, guys. Okay, it fit. Woohoo! It fit. I'm just going to put it back in its envelope. Then I'll label the envelope after so that I can put it with my stash. That was a butterfly. And then this is the last one we'll unbag in this video. Unbag, unbox. Unbag, unbox. I can cut it. Okay. I don't remember which one this is. Okay, this is a black cat. So this is a black cat one. In the background of my videos, you may hear my cat. And I have a black cat, so there's the glare, sorry. Figure it'll be easier to see though if we have the light on. So there's a black cat. You can kind of make out his face. There's a broom in it. There's the moon. It measures 30 by 40. Is this better or worse? Kind of better. It's not all going to fit, but there you go. There's a black cat with a broom. Here is the legend. 19 colors, so they have the legend in the top left-hand corner and the legend in the bottom right corner. No DMCs. Take a look at the drill area, so I will turn the light on for this. The drill area looks good. I mean, it is mostly dark. Like I'd imagine a lot of 310s are on this one. But I mean, the drill area looks clear. I will be using a light pad anyway, but still, it doesn't look like there's anything that's hard to read. Yeah. So that one's cute. The only thing is, like, I see there's like reds in his face and like in his ear. I don't know how that's going to turn out. And it's the same color of red as in the broom. This is the thumbnail. You can't even see, so I don't know why I'm showing you that. Just forget it. Let's take a look at the drills for this one. Here it came with like a normal kit. And then the drills also come in these packages. I hate when they come in like the packages that are like half the size and then you get like a billion bags of each color. It just takes forever to hit up. So let's take a look at this loose one. Doesn't seem to be a lot of trash or knobbly bits. Ooh, look how sparkly they are. They're so sparkly. Interesting. Okay. So, no DMCs on the bags themselves. But I just want to see, let's look at blue. Blue will be easy to look at for trash and whatnot. Yeah, no trash. No knobbly bits. And again, these are pretty sparkly. Let's see what they look like with the light on. Okay, the light just ruins my video. So we'll just turn that off. Lots of black, so I'd imagine that's 310. Oh no, here. I'd imagine these two are 310s. Yeah, looks like it. Look how sparkly they are. That's crazy. They're just bouncing off the light. So that is the last canvas we'll be unbagging. In the next video, we'll be unbagging this behemoth. I'll probably be on the floor for this one. It measures 45 by 85. I don't have a canvas that is like this, so I think it'll be a good we'll take a really hard look at it and check out the quality and whatnot, and we'll look at all the drills. So that'll be in my next video. And that's all for this video. So if you like this video, please hit thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in part 3 of 3 for my Newhomy reviews. And thank you very much to Newhomy for sending me these paintings. I really love them. And I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know what that sign is. I meant to wave. Okay, bye.